So from here you can see the stairs from ground floor to level 10. So we can make multiple stairs in this way. So this is the very easy method to create stairs or to create multi-story stairs. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss how we can create multi-story stairs in our building, especially for high-rise buildings. So to create multi-story stairs, let's firstly make a simple stair. So let's go on level 1 and then simply make a stair from this option, stair option. Run will be selected from left and these are same option. So let's go here and simply after that we have to click here. So from here we can delete these railings. We have made a stair from level 1 to level 2. So we want to continue these stairs from level 1 to level 2, then level 2 to level 3, and from level 2 to level 10. So for that let's go in 3D view, and this is our high-rise model. So again let's go on load level 1. So let's simply make a section here. From the section. So as you can see, we have make a stair from level 1 to level 2. So now we want to make these stairs from level 1 to level 2, then likewise at level 10. For that we have to simply go here, or we can also go in section view. Here is our section view. Or simply select this stair, and here is option of select levels. Simply click here and select this level and then click OK. Again, and let's select this level. Here's and from here and select level, connect levels, select level here and select levels, click here and we can make high-rise stairs very easily. So again let's select this level and click OK, and let's select other levels, simply click OK. So as you can see, I have selected two levels simultaneously at once, so it make us weird shape of stair. So let's Control C in connect level, select a single level, then click OK, and again connect level. So as you can see, we have made a stairs from level 1 to level 10 very easily. And view this section view in 3D. Let's click here, simply right click here and then go to orient to view and then select section. and then from section you have to select section 1. Click here. So this is our section 1, but this will be in 3D view. Let's drag it. So this is our in section 1 in 3D view. So from here you can see the stairs from ground floor to level 10. So we can make multiple stairs in this way. So this is the very easy method to create stairs or to create multi-story stairs. I hope you understand this tutorial. If you have any question or any query, you can ask me in comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.